Namaste everyone and welcome back to Rooted Disha. Have you ever felt tired, dizzy and uncomfortable while practicing yoga? Even though the poses were very simple, the reason may not be your strength or flexibility. It may be your breathing. In yoga, the breath called prana, which energize your body and calm your mind. Today we will learn difference between chest breathing and belly breathing. Why breathing is so important in yoga and the simple breathing practices which you can start today. Let's begin. So, what is breathing in yoga? Yoga is not just about moving your body. Every movement is connected with your breath. According to the traditional yogic wisdom, when your breath is steady, your mind becomes steady. The ancient text Patanjali of Yoga Sutra teaches us that breath regulation helps prepare the mind for deeper states of awareness. Think of breath as a bridge that connecting your mind and body. When the breathing is shallow and fast, the mind becomes restless. When the breath is slow and deep, the mind will become calm. Let's know about chest breathing versus belly breathing. So first we will know about chest breathing. Put your one hand on your chest and take a deep breath. If only your chest raises and shoulder lifts, you are chest breathing. Chest breathing is shallow, fast and common during stress and anxiety. Less efficient for oxygen exchange. Many people spend their entire day breathing like this without realizing it. Now we will know about belly breathing or diaphragmic breathing. Now place your one hand on your belly. Take a deep inhale throughout your nose. Allow your belly to gently expand. As you exhale, your belly will come in a normal position. This is belly breathing. So, the benefits are brings more oxygen into the body, activates relaxation response, reduce stress and anxiety, improves focus during yoga practice, helps to maintain steady energy. In yoga, we encourage diaphragmic breathing because it supports both mind and body. So, why breathe matters in yoga? Imagine practicing yoga without breathing awareness. The poses becomes just physical exercise. But when the breath and movement work together, yoga becomes a complete mind-body activity. Breathe helps improve concentration, increase endurance, relax tense muscles and prevents unnecessary strains. Bring awareness to the present moment. For an example, when you inhale, you create space and expansion. And when you exhale, you release tension and move into deeper relaxation. This is why yoga teacher says that move with your breath. Let's do some simple yogic practice.
Sit comfortably in Sukhasana or on a chair. Keep your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Inhale slowly throughout the nose for 4 counts. Feel the belly expand. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Exhale gently throughout the nose for 4 counts. Feel the belly relax. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue for 5 rounds.
Observe. Is your chest being relaxed? Is your belly moving naturally? Is your breath is smooth and natural? Don't force anything. Let the breath flow naturally. Let's know about traditional yoga insight. In yogic philosophy, breath is more than air entering in the lungs. It is connected to the prana, the vital life energy. The practice of breathing consciously makes us become more aware, more connected with ourselves, and more present. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing practice can affect your yoga practice positively and give a great impact in your daily life. Remember, the quality of your breath influences the quality of your yoga practice. Start by observing your breath for the 5 minutes daily. If you found this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe Rooted Disha for more yogic knowledge, for more practical sessions and traditional yogic wisdom. Until next time, breathe deeply, stay rooted and take care. Namaste.